Is this the thinnest USB charger? Let's give it a look. Dave Taylor here, and I'm looking at USB wall chargers. I know, not the most exciting topic in the world, but we all need them. We all have devices and we all need to charge them. Enter this. Look at that. It's super thin. This is the VogDUO 3-port USB wall charger. And let me show you. It actually is this thin, but wait, wall prongs pop out of it. So let's go ahead and give it a test. So I'm going to plug it in. And then I got 3 different devices that I'm going to want to charge simultaneously. So we're going to plug in a lightning connector, and that's going to the iPad. And we're going to plug in a Qi charger, and that has the iPhone on it. And we're also going to plug in a, what is this, USB-C, and that is plugging in to this. So now the Android phone is charging as we would hope. Let's see how this is doing. And that is charging. And in terms of the Qi charger, I think the phone wasn't put on correctly. Let's give it another shot. There we go. So all 3 are charging simultaneously. You can see it's super thin, and it obviously has a swivel, which is really nice. I mean, you know, the real sweet spot with this is for travel. It's so small, but it has a combined 30 watts and 6 amps, so it'll power 3 devices. They'll all charge. Not a bad deal. It has overheat protection, over voltage protection, and over current protection. So really, that's all we got to say about it. And the other thing that they've done that's really nice, now I'm going to unplug everything, that I really appreciate. We live in this world of beige and white and boring products, and maybe black, right? They have taken a different path. This is this nice bright red with a black sort of trim on it. And they actually have exactly the opposite too, where this is black and this is orange. And I really have to applaud them. I really like the fact that this is nice and bright. Now, the one thing I'll say I don't like about it is I don't like that it's a very plasticky sort of plastic. I don't know if that makes sense, but it feels like they didn't use the best quality materials. And the way the hinge works on this, I have a sense that it's probably only going to be maybe a couple of 100 iterations before it starts to be flaky. Maybe I'm wrong. I obviously haven't tested it that long, and they might come back and say, oh no, we test this for 25,000 swivels. But it just feels like that's going to be the point of failure for this device, which is a drag because it's not a bad price and it's certainly great functionality, and to be that thin and to offer 3 USB ports is just a wonderful thing. Now, really all that's left to talk about is the price. But before we get there, let me ask you, if you don't mind, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I really appreciate when you subscribe. Cool. Now, this VogDUO, and I have no idea where the name comes from, VogDUO 3-port USB wall charger will set you back $39.99 at Amazon, but when I checked, there was a $10 coupon, so it's $30 even, $29.99 at Amazon. That is not a bad price for something that's this small and obviously this extremely easy to carry with, whether it's in your purse or your computer bag or your suitcase. So, this is Dave Taylor, and I'm definitely going to give this a shot on some trips and see how it goes. And I hope you will check it out yourself, and I'll catch you in my next video.